Hi all, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install Tomcat into your system. First, go to the browser and type Tomcat download. Go to the official Apache Tomcat site. Then you have binary distribution underscore install zip file. So click on download and install the zip version for your Windows system. So I already installed to my system. So it will be a zip file. You have to extract it. So extract the Tomcat file here. Extract all. I'll be clearing this. Extract. It will extract the file and open the extracted file. Yeah. So the zip file is extracted now. We have bin and com folder here. Inside bin, we will be having startup and shutdown scripts. To start, you have to double click on startup file, or you can go to the command prompt. You can execute the bat file as well. So I'll be double clicking on startup file. It will deploy the apps here, so it will take some time. Deploying the web application, you can see application is deployed. Let's verify whether it's installed or not. Open your browser, search for localhost 8080. You should see the Tomcat welcome page. So you can see like 9.0.108 is installed, and you can view it from a web browser. So you can also manage the configuration, like you can go to conf and you have Tomcat users XML file. If you want to access the manager app, like for deploying web apps through the browser, you must set the users within this file. Then if you want to deploy a web application, drop your WAR file under web apps, extract the WAR file and restart the Tomcat application. So you can access the same whatever the web apps you have installed from the browser itself with a same URL or a same port number. So if you want to configure port and all, you can use conf folders. To set a Tomcat as a Windows service, to run Tomcat as a background service, like you have to download a Windows service installer version from a Tomcat download page, that is .exe installer. Run it and follow the installer wizard, like choose a Java path and configure service settings. After installation, you can start or stop Tomcat from service application itself. But in this approach, like you just need to start or shut down a file. Like we have a startup and shutdown files, right? You can do it through this itself. This is the easier way comparatively. And like if you want to install or configure SailPoint within your system, you can use web apps folder, and you can extract the file here. Yeah, this is all about a Tomcat installation. Thanks for watching.